Spring snow creates wintry scenes in France. The calendar has flipped to April, but residents across France stepped out the door on Friday to a burst of cold air and snow. Forecasters say a broad storm over south-central Europe unleashed the wintry weather mere days after spring warmth enveloped the region. In downtown Paris, the lightly falling snow proved to be more of a nuisance for residents who may have enjoyed weeks of mild weather, as opposed to being a hazard to travel or disruption to daily routines. The recent spring warmth helped cause most of the snow to melt immediately on contact with roads and sidewalks in the metro area, with elevated and grassy areas being the first surfaces to be dusted with white snowflakes.